Hi, my name is Greg Ward, and I'm the Aircraft Restoration Supervisor here at the Air Zoo. As a child, I flew gas-powered model airplanes, and one of my favorite airplanes was the P40 Warhawk. This was back in the late 60s. In 1988, I was able to get my airframe and power plant license to become an airplane mechanic, and lo and behold, one of the first airplanes I got to work on was a real P40 Warhawk. Sue Parrish's famous pink P40 Warhawk. There's some interesting things about this paint scheme. People think, well, why is it pink? Is it because Sue liked pink? Well, Sue did like pink. However, airplanes that flew in Operation Torch in North Africa were painted tan to match the sand. The paint would oxidize over time and actually turn a shade of pink. Quite obviously, it wasn't shiny pink like Sue's. However, it was pink nonetheless. Sue wanted some other features as the artist painted the tiger shark mouth and eyes on the nose of the airplane. She didn't want children to be scared. So if you look in the back corner of the mouth, it has a smile. Most of the airplanes you see from World War II had a mean grimace. This one has a smile. She also wanted it to be a female tiger, so she had long eyelashes applied to the eyes and lip gloss put on the lips. And it became one of the world's most famous P40 Warhawks. Sue has literally flown all over the country and participated in hundreds of air shows. Every year she used to fly to California in the P40. And she was famous at the EAA AirVenture Oshkosh Air Show as well. You could always tell that one pink airplane in the lineup as they come into park. So thank you for coming to see the P40 Warhawk. When we open again, I hope you'll come to see it in person. Have a great day.